In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image directly from a URL using your email editor. This can be a great way to add unique and interesting visuals to your emails without having to download and re-upload images from the web. It can really help streamline your process and ensure that you're getting high-quality images efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step so you can master this task with ease. First, open your email editor where you typically compose your messages. This walkthrough applies to most modern email platforms that offer a rich text editing experience. Once your email editor is open, locate the toolbar, which is usually either above or provided within the body of the email draft. Look for the image icon, commonly depicted as a small picture or mountain and sun illustration. Clicking on this icon will open up a variety of different options for inserting images into your email. Next, you'll see several tabs or options pop up, and what you're going to want to do is select the From URL tab. This is crucial because, unlike the Upload tab, this allows you to bring in images straight from the internet without going through your device's storage. Selecting From URL means you don't have to clutter your device with files you only plan to use once, making this step incredibly efficient for repetitive tasks or when working with multiple images. Now that you're in the right tab, the next thing you'll need to do is paste the direct link to the .gif file you want to use. You can usually find this by right-clicking on an image you found online, choosing Copy Image Address, or a similar option, depending on your browser. It's important to ensure that the link you copy ends in an image file extension, such as .gif, .jpg, or .png, to ensure compatibility and successful upload. Once you have the link, simply paste it into the field provided in your email editor. The last step to wrap it all up is quite straightforward. Simply click the Insert button. By doing this, you're instructing the email platform to fetch the image from the internet and insert it into the body of your email. In just a few seconds, you should see your chosen image appear, embedded right where you've requested. From there, you can resize or reposition it as needed with the tools provided by your email editor. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can enhance your emails with dynamic and engaging visuals directly from the web. This skill is incredibly useful, especially for creating eye-catching newsletters, personalized birthday greetings, or just adding a bit of flair to your everyday emails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.